Hey friends, GatorMom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're talking all about this Callie Sling bag from Latico. Hello, I hope you guys are doing well today. I'm really excited for today's video because this has been one of my favorite sling bags and I can't believe it has taken me this long to do an in-depth kind of review and packing video. I received this bag back in the fall, I want to say, or at least a couple of months back. I've had the chance to really use it and kind of break it in, if you will. I did a video on an unboxing of this one as well as another Latico leathers bag that I have that I love. I will kind of pin that somewhere if you guys happen to miss that. I also shared my favorites of 2023 video as well as a favorite sling video, and this Callie Sling has made the cut all the times. It is definitely one of my favorites and one of my most recommended slings. All right, so why do I love this sling bag and what are some of my favorite features? First of all, it is made out of the most buttery, squishy, soft leather I have ever seen. Like, it is really, really soft. This color is it's called Oat, I believe. They have a darker brown version of this that's beautiful. They had a navy version, they have black, they have a ton of different colors. I feel like they release them kind of seasonally and restock old ones from time to time, so you never know what colors are going to be available in this one. All that I know is they do tend to sell out quickly whenever they restock. I believe this is one of their more popular bags, but besides the material being really nice quality and super soft, it is so comfortable to wear. You can kind of wear it as a sling bag, which I'll try it on here for you just a second, or you can wear it as a crossbody, like a little bit lower, since it is on the larger side. So you kind of have flexibility and what way you wear it, like whatever is most comfortable for you. The outside of the bag, so there's no pockets here on the front and there's no pockets here on the back, but you have two side pockets, which I think is very uniquely designed because I haven't seen any sling bags that have a similar design to this. So on the side right here, you have your first pocket and it goes all the way to, I want to say about the middle here of the bag, kind of where this seam is. So it's a great pocket to throw in like your chapstick, your hand sanitizer, your phone, your keys, things that you want to grab for without having to go into the big bulk of the bag. Because when you're wearing it here and you're hands-free, because this is on you obviously, you can just access this pocket really, really easily. So not only do you have this side pocket, but you also have another identical pocket on the other side of the bag. So whatever way you're wearing this bag, you have the access to a side pocket on either end. So it's just great because, like I said, you don't have to go into the big bulk of the bag, which is quite large on this one, in order to get those like small essentials that you need to grab for. All right, so let's talk about this main opening. It opens up nice and wide. The zippers are really smooth and you can fit a ton down in here, which you'll be able to see here in just a second when we pack it up. But over here on this side of the bag, you actually have some internal organization, which is really cool. You have some pen loops right over here. You have a zipper pocket, and then you also have a couple of spots for cards, which is really cool. If you didn't want to pack a wallet, you can actually use this as an internal wallet, which is really neat. On the other side of the bag, you do have two slip pockets here that are trimmed in leather that are nice and big, again, just to kind of put those smaller items away from the bulk of your bag. All right, so quickly trying this bag on for you. This is how I like to wear this sling bag and all of my other ones. I have the strap actually pretty loose on here at the moment, but I usually will tighten it so that it kind of fits here on me. I am pretty short, I'm 5 foot, nothing. So just kind of for size reference here. But this is how I would typically wear the sling bag across me. Now, if you wanted to wear it more like a crossbody style, you definitely could, and it is a super cute look as well, especially if you have it packed like a little bit fuller, if you're using this as like an all day out bag or something, or if you have kids and you kind of want to like throw a couple of things for them in here. It's really comfortable to wear over here like as a crossbody. So you kind of have that flexibility with this one to wear it as a crossbody or up here closer to your chest. You could also move it around the back of you if you wanted to, and kind of wear it like that. So it's really comfortable and you can wear it a ton of different ways. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera down and pack up the sling bag so you can see what fits inside. All right, so here we are all packed up. I'm actually going to take off this strap just so it's not flopping around as we're unpacking this bag here. I'll go ahead and start actually with the outside zippers, which are here on this side of the bag. You don't have any on the front here or on the back. They're actually directly here on this side, which is kind of cool. So when you're wearing this, you could wear it really either way, like sitting up on your body, because you have zip pockets on both sides, which is kind of cool. But over here in this one, I just have my wallet, which is the Ondar dinner wallet. You have a spot for your ID here, a little pull tab for more cards in the middle, and then you have more card slots over here. You guys have seen this a bunch. It's one of my favorite wallets. I have it in a ton of colors. So it's great for like sling bags and stuff because it's like really small and compact. So I have that in there, and then I also have this MZ Wallace key pouch. This is in the rose like gold color, I believe, from like a little while back, but they have a ton of different colors of this one that tends to like release with different releases every month. But they actually just launched a really pretty like cornflower blue color. But I don't know if it's still available. But anyways, they have this usually in a bunch of different colors. But inside here, you do have a couple of card slots if you wanted to just use this as your wallet. I use it for gift cards, cash, and coins. So that's what I have tucked down in this one. I don't have anything else in this side pocket, but it does go all the way to, oh gosh, it goes over halfway. So you can really pack a lot in those outside pockets if you wanted to. Over here in this side pocket, I just have my keys, and they are on this big kind of O-Venture resin key ring that I love. And then I also have in there my AirPods, and they're in a little case on their own here. This is a great little case, by the way. Got it off of Amazon. It's not like funky, like the lid doesn't fall off, which I really like. And there's a spot to like charge it here. You don't have to like take the case off. Anyways, this is a great little case, and it has this little kind of hook that you can attach it to, whatever you want. So anyways, keys and AirPods are what I had over here in this side pocket. Unzipping the main opening here on the bag, it goes completely shut and opens up so wide, like really nice and wide. It's easy to get anything that you need out of this bag when you're wearing it, which is something that I love. Right here kind of on top, I just have my eyeglasses in this thin little like leather case. I also have a full-size hand cream hanging out down there at the bottom. I have a scrunchie tucked in the corner, a couple of snacks, always some type of a stick, edamame beans. These are awesome. What else do I have? Oh, one of those that's it bars. I love those too. So I have that tucked down in here. And then I think the only other thing I have in this main bulk of the bag is this small little pouch. I got this when I was in Texas this past weekend, and I love it. I got it at the rodeo actually in San Antonio, and there's like this little tassel, and it's so pretty. You're probably gonna see this in a ton of my bags. This is the company that made it. I'll try to like link it below if they have an online shop. I'm not entirely sure, but I love this little thing. It's actually a, they had a couple different ones. I got two different ones, but this one actually has a leather piece in here for you to attach jewelry. So you can like use this as like a little jewelry bag, which is cool. But anyways, I have my pillowcase tucked down in there. Always had this on me, labeled with everything that I would need. I also have some tissues, Band-Aids, this little perfume holder, if you will, that I got off of Amazon. It's really cool because you can actually attach this to your big bottle of perfume and have your perfume like on the go if you don't have like a small little travel one. So I love that. I got that before I traveled, and it's been really awesome. And what else do I have down here? A couple of these like teeth pickers, some lip products, my cuticle cream. I think that's about it in here. It's all like my small little cosmetic things. That's everything I have in the main kind of bulk here of the bag. In these two pockets over here, I just have some gum, and then I also have a tin of strawberry Altoids. Over in this one, which is just a little bit bigger than that one, you can see this one's a little bit tighter, it's a little bigger over here. I have a lip liner, my favorite lip gloss, and another lip treatment product. This is just kind of like chapstick that I use literally all the time. I love it. My Touchland hand sanitizer, and I also have this small little compact mirror. Turning the bag around here on the other side so you can see all of the built-in organization. I actually didn't use any of this, but I am a sucker for a bag that has built-in card slots. I didn't really use them this time because I had the extra room to kind of put my wallet in there, but you could easily use this. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different card slots, and they're really big. You can put multiple cards. And then over here, this is perfect for pens, lip liners, like anything that you want, you could use that. Inside the zipper pocket, the only thing I have is my phone charger, just kind of tucked down in there. So that is everything that I have packed inside this Callie bag. I highly recommend. It is one of my favorite slings and so soft. All right, I think that does it for today's video. I sure hope it was helpful for those of you that are curious about this Latico Callie Sling bag. I know a lot of you have been waiting for me to pack this one up and show it in more detail, so I really do hope it was helpful. I will have this bag linked down below, as well as everything that you saw packed inside of it, should you want links to any of those things. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those down below. I'm always happy to help. Until next time, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.